We could talk about morally. Timini being the bigger adult or the adults in the picture, he not supposed the one where they're very, very exposed. He not supposed to use in brain. Say, I'm a star. Babes go come after me because of waiting that they see. Men in their 30s, where they like to go after teenage girls. That one makes sense.
Come on, this one now, chook, mouth, gang. You know we gang.
Let's go. Chilling with the chook, my gang. Chilling with the chook, my gang.
I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Spending. I'm not really working onto this level.
All right, now the only girl in the midst of two fine guys. I'm my name is ADA and I Dum. Yes, ke.
All right, so we get our Lagos boyfriend inside the building.
Lagos mono shout. Your boyfriend on show.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Onto this level, say onto CMG, nothing serious, just vibe. We're gonna catch vibes for you. Catch your vibe. Catch your feeling. Yes, sir.
Balance. Make I balance.
Please don't make this talk harder for us.
Make I balance.
Just lead them through for this conversation.
Okay, say over the week something happened.
Yeah.
Where shake internet. Timini's story.
Yeah.
Where in baby girlfriend. Make I put her like that. Okay. Make it not be like I don't conclude judgment, but the teenage girlfriend will come outside, they drag her, say, cradle snatcher, this one, that one. You can't bring me to the question.
Yeah.
Men in their 30s, where they like to go after teenage girls. That one makes sense.
That conversation of Timini, I don't know why people they drag Timini.
Okay.
You understand? Because of it don't make sense at all. See, Timini na star.
No, they feed dragon.
Land.
Okay.
Timini na star. And as a star, attention they always there on you. You get see, and you know how many girls they slide into Timini DM. And if Timini no answer them, they go saying they snowballs. He doesn't care. You understand? They even
young
give
man,
us
get into the point. Get to the point.
So if Timini decide to share the love around, and make sure say at least this one where everybody is covered.
Okay, Papi Spending.
Sharing love will not be the issue.
Papi Spending.
But the abuse they talk about.
Thank you.
Abuse?
Thank you.
Wait. Come out and tell me say okay. So because I want to do palliative love now, they share one by one. So I can't use that opportunity to call abuse person. No, that's
no. What do you mean by abuse? Share the girl no date 18 years.
No, 18.
Calm down. Calm down. But we are not saying legally from 18 years old. If we want go by our constitution,
yes,
they're wrong.
We get constitution.
But wait first.
Please
now.
remind me.
I'm a Nigerian. I have a constitution.
Me, I'm a Nigerian.
Legally, but 18 years old, they're wrong. But morally now, we could talk about morally. Timini being the bigger adult or the adults in the picture, he not supposed the one where they're very, very exposed. He not supposed to use in brain. Say, I'm a star. Babes go come after me because of waiting that they see.
One, two.
Babes like me because I'm a fresh guy.
Like me.
So, okay, so if you not go teach them, say, at least guide these girls. Not be every girl will slide into your DM or will give you body.
Guidance
then you
counselor.
get throw body, Joe. I don't want this body.
Guidance
so what
counselor.
they talk, we say, he no guide himself.
Yes.
To avoid all this kind of yama talk.
No, be even today they don't accuse Timini of dating younger girls. If you remember one time like that.
No, be just accused. They say they actively involved. Like it be like say they always scout for those younger girls.
Young woman, that is a specialty.
Everybody get preference.
Everybody get your preference.
For waiting. Now your preference go be teenage girls. These girls are easily influenced.
Like me, like me now, I get preference for sugar mummies. Sugar mummies out there, Papi Spending.
See.
I can spend on
now they go spend on you, I think.
So that one now
you
preference.
Gonna spoil your life.
No, my life don't do like this. It needs some
update. What is your life they do?
They do my brother, give it out.
So more focus on the point.
Okay.
The point still remains 30-year-old, for example, against 18-year-old. It bad be no, or let's just say teens generally.
Yeah.
I talk and before
Nothing
say
bad.
Legally no bad, but we could talk about the moral stand. I beg.
I don't see. Okay.
These girls believe say they know what they do. These girls believe say
I have a very smart question to ask you. When you date your teen, you want to date your own teen?
Yes.
Or you want to date your
At
own
some point.
your own age. When you date, okay, most say when you date, well, at least when your eye open to all this dating, forget to now 16 years. From 16 years, people don't know about dating stuff. You understand?
Not be about dating my mate or dating an older guy. Personally, I always look out for the content of the man.
That's what I'm saying.
If waiting at the fine, I see him for my age grade.
That means
mind.
From your teen, you don't see teens. Oh God, you don't want some teens.
Which kind right with this one?
Okay, more draw the moral line now. Waiting be the immorality we did there. Waiting be the immorality we did there.
The girl.
First question, man, ask you first question.
Okay, ask
she's still young.
She rape her.
You know rape him.
She intimidate him.
You know intimidate him.
But
the truth of the matter is
so when you tell her say I love you, the girl don't say I love you back.
She feels like she know what she they do.
Okay. So when he touch her like this,
she know what she they do. I don't know about touching. No, they touch me.
But I just thought say as far as the girl know what she they do, because of according to the law, once you become 18, you are a responsible adult. You are an adult.
We don't even talk 18, we talk teen.
See.
How many 18 years old out there they make right decisions about their life? How many 18 years old out there they make right decisions about their life?
You see DSF matter, she took hand for this worker. How you see him? She been a side, what's it be name again?
Bestie.
Timini, yeah.
Bestie. No make mistake.
Best.
With all due respect.
Please put quotation mark for front and back.
So the support they expected.
But she mentioned something and say as woman to woman, you understand? Why you will be woman go on the
attack your fellow woman over your bestie will be man.
Now feminists are going against each other.
Nah.
You don't spoil.
I feel say you get a lot of things where we don't know really about the whole story.
Yes.
Because if you remember after DSF come outside, come para, talk say you where they talk, you know be they beg, somebody they pick up your call, no be you do this one. How many of your age mates you don't date? They talk say they snatch you from cradle, blah 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 blah. After some time, matter change hand. So it's be that conversation behind the scene where we don't know. Where we say, because Mr. Lydia said, give her bass balls. Auntie pin this one. Auntie underage boys. Auntie this one. Before you know, matter content.
That's auntie underage boys.
No, now wait till we hear now.
So now, DSF now don't turn to lettuce, tomato between these two bread for sandwich. More enter BBN domot. We don't see HOH Liquorose.
Okay.
She comot piece, put cross inside her level. Waiting una feel about this move.
Okay, personally, I feel say she do that one because she knows say Cross na strong competition, right? So, and she knows say, or she feels say, Cross go get fans out there, we go vote them to stay. But for peace, we know if you talk the same for peace. And
despite say I go vote.
So that's like
we go vote for
despite say I go vote for
so we could say women supporting women.
Yeah.
You should not say
girl power. Oh my God.
Liquorose did it for the sisterhood.
Okay.
For the sisterhood.
Done and dusted. Okay, so more we enter the deal of nomination for eviction. We see something will shock everybody. White money enter room. Biggie has scam.
Oh boy.
Alpha. Who you want make comot from this house? He mentioned Perry. But when Perry enter that house, inside that room rather, he ask him. You no mention white money. You not see any logic for this waka, for this move where you do so.
Now the way we person they feel. People they complain say white money they fake them. But now at least it good say white money don't they show in emotions. This guy hot him. This guy make him belittle him. So you no go expect and say he go come they hide him mouth.
Okay.
He know once where the guy did the house because of if he say and I should say everybody share that feeling, that same feeling with white money. Because of they don't like the way we parent they behave. Parent feel too big.
Okay.
So if white money say no one will parent the house, 9 rights, 9 votes. Anybody when if say need to go, 9 don't come.
And
so
another thing when I feel like if you say
one.
white money also know that's why the first white money they believe in himself. You know say they gone for the 19 million if you get them.
Yeah.
You also know say Perry get something inside them. Perry to a strong opponent. And you know say Baba if I lose guard myself, Perry are the next person.
And the more parent for that house.
Parents are the only guy we don't look white money for the whole house.
Call
Challenge
them
them. Call them out. No other person. All of them they do. We are white money babies. Happy home. Happy home. But parent no send white money.
So if you see
so
what
for
the
that
parent
fact
do,
alone, white money they see parent as major open it for that house.
And if you look at if parent continue to dey that house, more clashes go dey between them.
But now
You
the content
understand?
will sign up for.
More clashes go
Now
dey
the
between
content
them.
will
So
sign
if
up
everybody
for.
look and say, "Ma, avoid this guy, push and go house," when they go house. You understand? So
So
Why
guys-
is it going home?
I doubt that.
So guys, make I call out the list of people where they on to nomination for this week. First of all, we get Perry, we get GMK, we get Sammy.
Which Sammy?
We get Cross, we get Queen, we get Maria. Nah, I don't understand. According to me, Perry, GMK, Sammy, Cross, Queen, Maria. Sammy is going home. For me,
More mention two people. More mention two.
two
people.
to each.
Queen and Sammy.
Queen and Sammy. Yeah?
Queen and Sammy. My code names again: Perry, GMK, Sammy, Cross, Queen, Maria.
Queen and Sammy.
Me na Sammy and JMK.
Nah.
I don't know why. I don't
Nah,
know why.
nah,
I just
nah,
feel
nah,
like JMK.
You know, if you say
Why?
Big Brother likes
Why?
JMK, you think he would let her go?
Disclaimer, get what I
you
say.
know you can be prosecuted for that.
Person talks to people that go to us that
So you
babe
want
for
them to
dinner.
say, people don't be human beings. So you know they get catch feelings. What's the problem?
But no, seriously,
What's
Queen
the
and
problem?
Sammy. Queen and Sammy for me.
Same
Queen
here.
and
Queen and
Sammy for
Sammy.
me.
So, but we'll see what's going to
But
happen.
if you notice one thing now, among all of us, we agree say Sammy they go house.
Poor Sammy. Mama is waiting to receive you in her
Sorry,
arms.
So you like now?
No, not really.
That's what we go wrap up. That's what we go wrap up, guys.
Wait first.
Yeah.
But you think say if I say Sammy still there with Angel, she if he say that Angel
That ship goes to help him sail
sail
through.
through this thing.
See, Angel is
Maybe
Angel.
now why- now why you be the
Nobody get Angel, and Angel don't want anybody get them. Angel is for
But
everybody.
Angel did very, very brutal.
Angel is for everybody,
Sort
man.
of. She did-
My name Lagos na Emeka Ism. You go see me everywhere. I did there.
Hey, wait. You be playing. Are you saying that?
Lagos.
You must be Sapa.
In case you don't want to follow them for social media, I did for social media. Ada Kuchineme, ADAKUCHINE.
Don't angry me. If you don't follow me, you angry me. At Papito was Zobia FM.
Yes, so Lagos, I don't come talk am before. Since now me they reminded to talk their handle. Emeka Eze, you go see am there.
You know we get
You chilling with the chook, man.
Gang, chilling with the mustache. Oh boy, come on, body for attention. Nothing serious, just vibe. Man, catch my own vibe if I come out. Catch it.
If you,
I
I go.
Don't make him go now.
Swallow my vibe.